What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to tell you about an item that I've been selling lately. Made over $900 last month selling this exact same item. So, I want to explain what this item is, why I've been selling it, how you can get this item for so cheap, and what you should do to start making money on eBay. So if you're ready, let's go. Now, before I show you what this item is, I want to give you some more help. I want to give you another tip. Now, down in the description box below, I have a free video that you can go and check out. This is my #1 secret item that I've been selling lately and it's been doing a very good job making a lot of money. Okay, and it's something you can find every single time you walk into a thrift store. So if that's something you're interested, you want to see what this item is, go check out the video again. I'll put that in the link. It'll be the first link down in the description box below, so go and check it out. Alright, so let me show you how I made over $900 last month selling this one item. So, here it is. Now, what I want to kind of explain is why am I selling lots of baby clothes? Now, first off, the reason why I started doing this, I've been doing it for a while, but lately I've been having a lot of baby clothes simply because my wife and I had a baby about 3 months ago. So he's growing out of his newborn stuff, growing into different things. So we're getting rid of all that stuff. Now, one of the things I've been doing lately is selling a lot of that stuff. Now I know what you're thinking. Well, that's great. You have access to all that stuff. You've already purchased it. Okay. Now, I was able to make $937 last month selling a bunch of newborn stuff, but also I got my hands on a bunch of different clothes as well. And I've been doing this for a while. And one of the ways I do this is I go into thrift stores, and I'm not saying Goodwill because Goodwill is not really going to do it, but I go into thrift stores and I try to get bags of stuff. Now, usually the way this works is you got to go into a thrift store that is usually locally owned. It can't be Goodwill or Salvation Army. It's probably not going to work, but sometimes they do offer a bag sale. Or if you have a Goodwill bins, then you can go there as well, and you can find clothes, baby clothes, for very cheap, okay, under $1 an item, okay. And the best part about this is sometimes they do a bag sale where a full bag is $2, and so you can get like 15, 20 items of baby clothes in a bag for $2, okay. That's where you're making some money, and it also works at yard sales as well. So one of the things that I've been doing that's been working is I bundle. I do a little lot, and usually the lots are like 5 products. Okay, so let me show you like what some of these things are selling for right now. Okay, just a few days ago. Okay, this 3-month to 6-month footed sleeper pajamas. There's 2 for 8 ones right here. Okay, sold for $29.99. For 8 of these, it's probably gonna cost about $10 to ship it. Okay, you're looking about $3 in fees, so you're in about 13 bucks. If this was an item that I picked up for 20 cents or 25 cents a piece, I'd be in at $2 right there, so about 15. I'd be making about $15 profit on this one sale right there. Okay, now these do not sell every single day. Okay, don't get me wrong, they just don't. But when you have a bunch of different lots, you have sleepers, you have onesies, you have jackets, you have pants, you have socks, you got just a bunch of different things. You have reusable diapers, okay? But not only newborn, you got 3 month, you got 3 to 6 months, you got 6 months, you got 6 to 9 months, you got 9 months, you got 1 year, you got 2 year, 2T, all that stuff, okay? That's how you're making the money, okay? Don't just focus on newborn, because if I was just focused on newborn, I would not have made $937 last month just by selling newborn. I don't have that much newborn stuff, okay? But by going out, okay, putting little ads over on Craigslist, talking to people on Facebook that post their baby stuff for sale, talk to them and see, because I guarantee you when they're asking $1 an item, a lot of these people are going to try to pick which items they want. I don't. I pick every single thing and try to get it at a discount. Try to get it for $0.25, 50 cents a piece. Try to get the best deal possible, because that's the only way you're going to make it on eBay. Okay, I guarantee you. So let's look at some more of these. Okay, this one's a bigger one. This is 47 shirts. Okay, newborn 0 to 3 and 3 to 6 months for 45 bucks. Let's try to find a smaller lot. I won't sell big lots like that. Look at this one right here. Okay, Kiki pant. These are the 3 to 6 months. Okay, and they're sold for what, $26.50. Okay, not bad. This is a lot of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 items sold for about 30 bucks. I do not do bids. I do everything is buy it now, pretty much. Okay. So again, if you want to know kind of what my secret item is, okay, again, I'm gonna put a link down in the description box below. It does not have anything to do with clothing. Okay. It's a secret item I've been selling, been making a lot of money from it, and I want to tell you guys what this is. But again, it's in the link down in the description box below. It's a free video, so you can go and check it out. Now, if you want to see what other items I sell, what clothing I sell, what electronics I sell, okay, I'll put a link down in the description box below. It will also take you to Thrift Store Profits, which is my course on some of the items that I've been selling, how to make more money on eBay, stuff like that. It also includes 67 profitable items that you need to know. So look at this. Look at this one right here. A lot of 4 Gap, okay, girl pants, velour, okay, sold for like, what, about 20 bucks, okay? If you can sell also the brands, you can bundle the brands. So Carter's, Gap, Oshkosh, okay, Nike, it matters. It really does matter. So if you can do that, then I guarantee you're going to make more money, because what so many people do is they put Oshkosh, Gap, Carter's, and they put all these things together. The problem with that, and they put things like, Old Navy and just different brands together. Problem with that is a lot of times people just like one brand, like Carter's. People love Carter's, okay? Oshkosh. People love Oshkosh, okay? So do that. Put the brands together, because that will also help you when you put the, like, Oshkosh, or like this person put Zara, okay? That's a great thing. This person put Carter's, okay? People, when they search for Carter's pajamas, they're going to find this listing. So that's one of the ways you can make some money. Here's another thing. This is it's a newborn lot, okay? So you look right here, let's see. And newborn stuff is so easy to ship. It's so light. Look at this one. A Carter's 8-piece baby boy, the twins clothing, okay? So you got double sets. $18.99 with $8.35 shipping. Pretty good, okay? This one right here, a lot of 6 baby boy footed sleepers. Like I said, I like selling lots of 5. Okay, that's just what I like to do. But if I'm doing shirts and pants, okay, I'll do like 4 to 5 different sets. Okay, so shirt and pants, I'll have like one set, and I'll do 4 to 5 different ones. I usually don't include socks in that as well. A lot of times I'll just do like a little thing of socks, usually like $14.99 to $19.99, and it's just a bunch of socks that I send off. So that works as well. This is a lot of 9. Again, one of the things I do is I would put them in an actual group. So Carter's, Oshkosh, Gap, things like that. Okay, it just works a little bit better. And that, I'm not saying it guarantees a sale, but it increases the chance of actually getting that sale. So let me give you some tips on actually selling baby clothes. Now, the first tip, you do not need to wash it. Okay, I guarantee you don't need to wash it, because as a parent with a newborn baby, it doesn't matter if the clothes are brand new or used. I'm going to wash those clothes. Well, actually, I don't. My wife does. But, we are going to wash those clothes with the certain type of, baby laundry detergent that we use. Okay? And so that's something that any parent is going to do as well. They're not just going to get a used item from eBay and stick it on their kid. It's not going to happen. They will wash it. So it's pointless for you to spend that time to wash all the clothes and try to go back to them. Don't do it. Okay? When you get them, list them. They're ready to go. Okay. The second tip when it comes to baby clothes, I already mentioned this, but put brands together, because they're more likely to sell, and they're going to sell for more. The third tip when it comes to baby clothes is, okay, and this is a big one, do not sell all white stuff. Do not sell all black stuff. Do not sell all blue stuff. Okay. It just doesn't work. I've tried it, and I thought I was making some, good money and good choices, but what I realized is people do not want all black. They do not want all blue. They do not want all green. Do not want all yellow. They just don't want it. Mix it up. Yellow, blue, green, okay? Vibrant colors. Okay, explain it inside your title. Okay? Do not sell all black, because most babies do not wear all black. Okay? It just doesn't happen. Okay? Another tip for you guys. So this tip number 4 is, if you can put together outfits, so that means that's pants, or the shirt, the pants, the socks, the shoes, and maybe include a jacket, okay? 4 to 5 different items in one outfit, okay? And do that for like 2 to 3 outfits. It works. People love that. And one of the reasons why is because they don't want to go out and try to figure out all these outfits. And with baby clothes, most of the outfits are already on the hanger. They're already ready to go, except for they usually don't have the socks and the shoes. So if you can find the stuff that will match that outfit, there's people out there that absolutely love it. My wife loves it, okay? So I know for a fact that it does sell because she's bought stuff like that. She would rather go and pay a little bit more, pay a little bit extra, but the outfit's already laid out for her. She knows what's there. She doesn't have to find the socks and shoes to match it, okay? So was it tip number 5? I think this is tip number 5. Tip number 5 when it comes to selling baby clothes, okay, understand your sizes. Now, one of the reasons why I mentioned selling all Carter, selling all Gap, all Oshkosh, okay, things like that, is simply because the stuff from Gap or stuff from Old Navy is a different size than the stuff, even though it could be all newborn or all 3 months, it would be a different size and it's going to fit different than it would if it's from like Carter's or something like that, or Nike. Okay, they don't all fit the same. All right, so that's one of the things I want you to understand is understand the sizes, understand how they fit. If you don't have a baby, in your house, or you don't know somebody with one, I get it. I understand that. This is just one of those other things. If you do your research and you figure it out, okay, you can make a lot of money. And like I said, I made almost $1,000 last month selling just these lots. That doesn't include when I sell electronics or other clothing, or men's lots or women's lots. This is just baby lots, all right? So if you have any questions on this, again, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you want to see what that secret item is that I've been selling, okay, that #1 secret item that you can find at every single thrift store you ever go to, again, that'll be the first link in the description box below. If you want to check out Thrift Store Profits, that will be the second link down in the description box below. But again, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.